Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Ravrani Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the synthesis of 5-membered heterocycles and 6-membered heterocycles. In 5-membered heterocycles, pyrrole, furan and thiophene, and in 6-membered heterocycles, the synthesis of pyridine molecule. Let's see one by one. Number first is a synthesis of 5-membered heterocyclic compound is a pyrrole, furan and thiophene. There is a very famous method for synthesis of this 5-membered heterocyclic compound is a Paulnor synthesis method. One by one. Number first is the synthesis of pyrrole molecule. The pyrrole is a 5-membered heterocycle with heteroatom nitrogen. See the reaction simple 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. By mistake there is a 1,3 but 1,4-dicarbonyl compound reacts with ammonia or derivatives. It gives finally pyrrole molecule. It is a simple condensation reaction between this 1,4-dicarbonyl compound and ammonia or its derivatives. It gives finally pyrrole molecule. See, in case of this 1,4-dicarbonyl compound, see the carbonyl functional group C double bond O. There is a polarization. Carbonyl carbon it gains partial positive charge and oxygen it gains partial negative charge. In case of this amine, ammonia derivative means primary amine, this nitrogen with electron, the electron pair of nitrogen attack to carbonyl carbon, then delocalization of pi electron towards the oxygen, it gains negative charge means O minus, and this electron pair of nitrogen participate in bond formation, loss of electron pair, nitrogen it gains positive charge. Then there is a transfer of proton, O minus is converted into OH, and the shifting of the sigma electron pair towards the nitrogen means nitrogen with electron pair. This nitrogen electron pair is again attacked to the second carbonyl carbon, then delocalization of pi electron towards the oxygen. Again there is O minus, nitrogen with positive charge due to loss of electron pair. Same H plus subtraction, O minus is converted into OH, and then there is a neutralization of positive charge of this nitrogen. And so finally condensation means the sigma electron pair is participate in delocalization means pi bond formation, then elimination of OH in the form of OH minus. This OH minus and H plus is a removal of water molecule. Similarly is a removal of second water molecule, and it gives finally this pyrrole derivative. These are the very simple and famous method for the synthesis of pyrrole is a Paulnor synthesis method. Next one is the synthesis of furan molecule. Similarly, this furan molecule is also synthesized by same method is a Paulnor synthesis method, in which the 1,4-dicarbonyl compound reacts with dehydrating agent like phosphorus pentoxide or H2SO4. It gives finally furan molecule. See, these are the 1,4-dicarbonyl compound in presence of strong dehydrating agent. Number first, the electron pair of this oxygen reacts with this H plus, means the protonation of oxygen is takes place. Finally, the electron sigma electron pair is participating localization, and the pi electron pair between this carbon and oxygen is attacked to this carbon, and shifting of electron pair towards the oxygen means neutralization of positive charge is a takes place. Okay, so finally again electron pair of this oxygen attack to this H plus means protonation of this oxygen is a takes place. Similarly, this oxygen it gains positive charge. In this step, the electron pair of this oxygen participate in delocalization. Finally, removal of water molecule is takes place, means the dehydration is takes place. And the last one is a removal of H plus, means the sigma electron pair is participate in delocalization. Pi bond formation, the neutralization of positive charges takes place, and finally it gives the furan derivative. These are the very famous method for synthesis of this furan molecule by Paulnor synthesis method. Next one is a synthesis of thiophene molecule. Similar to this pyrrole and furan, the thiophene also synthesized by this Paulnor synthesis method, in which this 1,4-dicarbonyl compound it reacts with phosphorus pentasulfide, and finally condensation it gives the thiophene molecule. See the reaction is 1,4-dicarbonyl compound in presence of phosphorus pentasulfide. There is a substitution of one oxygen by sulfur, means there is a replacement of oxygen by sulfur. The same condensation mechanism, it's a after this condensation mechanism it gives finally this thiophene derivative, these are the synthesis of thiophene by Paulnor synthesis method. It is a similar reaction to the furan molecule. Next one, it is a very famous method, synthesis of pyridine by Hans synthesis method. It is also called as Hans pyridine synthesis method. Basically, it is a one multi-component reaction between an aldehyde such as formaldehyde and two equivalent of beta ketoester such as methyl acetoacetate molecule and a nitrogen donor such as ammonia. It is a multi-component reaction. See, the reaction between these are the derivative of ammonia is ammonia, this formaldehyde molecule, and the two equivalent of this acetoacetic ester means methyl acetoacetate. It gives it's a pyridine derivative, and this method is called as Hans synthesis of pyridine. See the reaction: just 2 moles of this acetoacetic ester, 1 mole of aldehyde molecule, formaldehyde molecule, and 1 mole of ammonia. It is a simple condensation reaction. It's a multi-component reaction. It gives finally pyridine derivative. See the mechanism of this reaction. Number first step is a methyl acetoacetate. There are 2 moles of the methyl acetoacetate. Number first step is the enolization of this methyl acetoacetate is a takes place. Means enolization, the keto form is converted into its enol form. So keto and enol, these are the special type of isomerism. Okay, and these are the special type of isomerism, means simply keto is converted into its enol form. Okay, it's the enol form of this methyl acetoacetate. It reacts with this formaldehyde molecule and ammonia. See the simple condensation, removal of water molecule, again removal of water molecule. It gives 1,4-dihydropyridine derivative, and this 1,4-dihydropyridine derivative on oxidation in presence of oxidizing agent nitric acid HNO3, simple this aromatization of this ring as a takes place, it gives finally pyridine 3,5 dicarboxylate. See, there is only 2 bonds, but oxidation in presence of this nitric acid HNO3 is a loss of this hydrogen, it takes place, and it gives finally pyridine 3,5 dicarboxylate ion. Okay, and number fourth step is a ester molecule. This dicarboxylate ion on alkaline hydrolysis, ester is converted into finally carboxylic acid, and the decarboxylation of this carboxylic acid, it gives 2,6 dimethyl pyridine molecule. These are the number fourth step. Okay, thank you very much.